Hi friends, welcome back to your channel SciTech. In this we're going to do the touch sampling rate comparison between the Realme X1 Max versus OnePlus Nord 2 device. So this is a question which has been requested by 4 of my users asking me to make a video after the recent software update. Yes, when just a couple of days back I did receive the October security patch update and OnePlus Nord 2 did receive the November security patch update. Let's see with these latest updates in these both phones, is there any kind of change in the touch sampling rate or not? And these exact comments which I'm getting, so regarding the touch sampling rate of Realme X1 Max and the OnePlus Nord 2 as well. So they're making it in one single video which might be useful for a lot of other users who are actually looking for this kind of thing. So first thing is that what are the company claiming the touch sampling rate in the Realme X1 Max is 360 Hz touch sampling rate. In the OnePlus Nord 2 is 180 Hz touch sampling rate. That is what the Realme and the OnePlus are claiming. But by default, what we get is slightly different. So we can actually measure the touch sampling rate using a couple of applications available. But right now I'm trying to use this application which is called the Touch Multitest application as well. Using this application, we'll be able to see what is happening with the touch sampling rate. So right now in the OnePlus Nord 2, you will be able to see exact we are getting about close to 210 value. As you can see, for 210. So don't think the phone has got 210 touch sampling rate. That's not possible. So let me try to show you. So 210 minus refresh rate, whatever we are trying to use. So refresh rate we are trying to use is a 90 Hz refresh rate. So overall value we are getting about 120 Hz touch sampling rate. Yes, that's a default value in the OnePlus Nord 2 touch sampling rate. Even the few of the users that did ask the OnePlus team and they did reply to the OnePlus Nord 2 users saying that by default they did restrict the touch sampling rate to 120 Hz. That is what I did get the feedback from a couple of users. But right now, still we cannot see any kind of increase. But OnePlus Nord CE has got 180 Hz touch sampling rate. Yes, by default that phone has got, but this phone doesn't have that kind of 180 Hz. It's got 120 Hz. So that's what I'm trying to mention, friends. OnePlus Nord CE has got 180 Hz by default. I did use the phone and I did check. That's confirmed, but not in this phone. And where is in the Realme X1 Max? So right now we are getting the value about close to 360 number. So 360 minus refresh rate, what I'm trying to use, which is 120 Hz refresh rate. So let me try to do the math. 360 minus 120 Hz. So 240 Hz touch sampling rate in the Realme X1 Max device. That's what we are getting. So even after the recent software update. So I don't think there will be any way like increasing any kind of touch sampling rate. So this will be the maximum we can actually use in these both phones. So next thing I'll try to use another application which is called the Touch Multitest application as well. Using this application, we will be able to measure what is happening with the touch sampling rate. For example, if I'm trying to draw the lines very slow, in both phones can recognize more number of touch inputs. As soon as I start increasing the speed, try to observe in the OnePlus Nord 2. Less inputs are detecting, right? Yes. That is what happens in the OnePlus Nord 2 because of low touch sampling rate. Try to observe. Even with the same speed, less number of touch inputs. As you can see, friends, how many touch inputs are detecting. So this is what happens in case if you don't know this kind of things and if you buy the phone. And anyway, right now I don't think anyone will be buying the OnePlus Nord 2 after this kind of incidents happen. So definitely, friends, and that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this a quick comparison between both phones regarding the touch sampling rate. And let me try to do the multi touch sampling rate. For example, using 2 fingers and 3 fingers, you will be able to see. As you can see, friends, how much it's not detecting so many. It's not detecting at all. It's only detecting few touch inputs. Let me try to do in the Realme X1 Max. Try to observe in the Realme X1 Max. You can see more touch inputs are detecting. More touch inputs. But not in the OnePlus Nord 2. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. In case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. But this is a final touch sampling rate comparison between these both phones after the recent software updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.